8:12. Yeah, 8:12. Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the cut motions and oppose the demands. Speaking on Water Resources Department. Speaker sir, the Department of the Water Resources has a budget of 675 crores, which is 2.98% more than the revised estimates of 23-24. While speaking on the Water Resources Department, Speaker sir, I believe that the biggest failure of the Water Resources Department is the inability to basically prevent the diversion of Madai River. This deals with the future of flora, fauna. Human beings in the state also depends on this primary decision. Speaker sir, this government is making false hopes of approaching the Supreme Court, taking delegations to meet the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. On the other hand, Zorito tum choilyar Karnataka che je Mukhyamantri hai, he called upon the Honorable Prime Minister of our country and he asked him to expedite the approval for the Kalsa Bandura drinking water project. They also requested ki जो आमचे देशाचो जलशक्ती मिनिस्टर हा, एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर हा आणि क्लायमेट चेंजाचो जो मिनिस्टर हा, that they should act swiftly to approve the DPR and accordingly accord the environmental clearance. आमचे सरकारान म्हाका दिसता हुई ना हुई the government has failed to take proactive steps to safeguard the interest of Goans. On Madai issue, I believe there are the House Committee also that was formed. Yach Vidhan Sabha, we had a full day session, special discussion, but we had only 2 House Committee sittings. Because Aaj Zoritor Choilyar, I believe that the government has compromised our lifeline Madai to give political advantage to the BJP in Karnataka. And I kidak sangtas because kidak Karnataka has started the construction of the Nalla to divert water from the Kalsa to Malprabha jo basin. Anik amik jenna WRD minister last monsoon session I had questioned the honorable WRD minister, what is the only option left with Madai Wildlife Sanctuary being declared as a tiger reserve? Is Madai safe? The same question was put to the Honorable Chief Minister, was put to the Environment Minister at that time. I would ask the same question again, with Madai Wildlife Sanctuary being declared as a tiger reserve, is Madai safe? And I hope that the Honorable Minister answers this question. Because Deshache Graha Mantri Amit Shah ji, he goes to Karnataka and Belgaum and he tells the Karnataka unit during the election that the issue has been resolved, the dispute between Goa and Karnataka, and by giving Madai to Karnataka. This is his speech. Jenna, he came to Goa, he did not speak anything about Madai diversion. He preferred not to speak. So basically it looks like the top engine of this double engine Sarkar wants to turn Goa into a desert. Speaker sir, I believe to add insult to this injury, and I would like to highlight this to the Honorable Minister, there are decisions to award work to contractors from Karnataka, that is PRN of Hubli. Now this same contractor who executed works in the Madai River Basin also prepared the controversial DPR for the Kalsa Bandura project. He is the same contractor. PRN of Hubli also executed the building RCC conduit for the Karnataka Niravani Nigam at Kankombi to divert Madai River water to the Malprabha Basin. Aaj, yes, Sarkaran, I believe, have awarded 3 works. Construction of Bandara at Khandepar Ponda, construction of barrages at River Sal in Bicholim, as well as Ganja. It's because L Technology Bangalore which prepared the DPR for Kalsa Bandura project, has been awarded the work for consultancy of Anjune irrigation project at Kiri. I believe that the Honorable Minister should possibly clarify on the same. Speaker sir, या सरकारान एक प्रोग्राम लॉन्च केला नदी परिक्रमा उगम से संगम आनीक तेका प्रोविजन केला 5 crore. You intend to carry out studies like sources of water and rivers along the state, along with their conservation. This seems to be the agenda in the budget speech as well, it is mentioned. And it is mentioned that there will be a lot of nature trails, drone studies, river health monitoring, and river conservation. The intention of the government is okay, it's right. You say that the assistance you are taking even from NIO. This is a good idea, but म्हाका दिसता हें काम केन्ना start जातलें? It should start basically by January, February, when the rivulets and smaller water bodies will, otherwise beyond that it will dry up and you will not be able to trace any source of water. Because potto jenna म्हाका दिसता सरकाराची आनी डिपार्टमेंटाची प्रायोरिटी आसपाक जाय about ensuring the guaranteed protection to our river Madai. We expect this double engine Sarkar to tell the central government, their approval to the Karnataka DPR Podha that has to be withdrawn. Prava honestly does not inspire confidence, not only to me but to Goans. Pravacho jo chairman ha, tene sanglele ki ek report ha, ki jo tegelo report ha. He will submit this report based on the recent site inspection before July 31st, the day when he is set to retire. Today is July 31st. So whether the Honorable Minister will throw some light, whether this report has been submitted today, because as per reports he is retiring today. Speaker sir, I believe that the order of the High Court was very clear with Tiger Reserve being declared. We failed to understand the logic of spending lakhs of rupees against this order, which was basically to strengthen Goa's cause. Anik, as it seems to be a battle of ego. That is why people are suffering. Because if we look at the water bodies, they seem to be getting destroyed day by day. Honorable Minister has a lot of positives also, which I will speak. But if you look at the way land filling is happening, land filling doesn't come to in his department. But the way land filling is happening, just traditional amgelo nui, and the way all this is proceeding at a reckless pace, all the lakes are getting polluted. This is clearly visible. Zori tor tuye ek barik nodar malayar. With the growth of the Salvinia weed, this weed is seen practically across most of the rivers in Goa. Anik, there are several other aquatic weeds as well. They are thriving in our lakes, indicates high pollution level in the water bodies. And that's because Prashna Janna Madaicha, Janna ek background, I believe that why this government has failed and when the betrayal started. Betrayal started not by this Chief Minister. Betrayal started on 21st December 2017. This was when the former Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar wrote to the BJP leader of Karnataka, Yadurappa, compromising Goa's interest on Madai. I don't think you were also part of that government. Speaker sir, J letter hai with regards to the environment, forest and climate change of Government of India dated 17 October 2019, 25th October, 5th October, 18 November 2019 and 18 December 2019. All these are letters of betrayals. If you check, this is all against Goa's interest with Madai. And that's because chronology zori thor chelyar jenna triple engine ahले Centera, Karnataka and Goa BJP je sarkar ashille, they have given a free hand to Karnataka to divert the water for Madai for irrigation and industrial purpose. As by Speaker sir, what the department has only done, if I look at it, is only submitted a report of the superintendent engineer who was member of the 3-member monitoring committee appointed by the Honorable Supreme Court. And the government didn't do anything else to keep a vigil on the illegal construction work done by Karnataka. Ada, I had asked a question on the inspections carried out at Madai Basin, LEQ 9A. This reveals that the Goa government completely, relied on NGOs, relied on newspapers, relied on journalists for reports. Speaker sir. जे 8A हे क्वेश्चन मुगेले जे 16 जुलयाचे जे आशिल्ले ह्याच सेशनाचे तुम्ही सांगला तुम्ही 21 इन्स्पेक्शन केलाय. देर आर 21 inspections carried out by the department of the officials of government of Goa from 2018 to 2023. And out of these 21 inspections, 17 inspection पडालनी ही 2018 या वर्सा जाल्ली. एक इन्स्पेक्शन जाल्ले 2019 आणि 2020 आणि 2 इन्स्पेक्शन जाल्ले 2023. बेसिकली 21 and 22 no inspections were done. Apart from that, from April 2023 till June 2024, no inspections done by the departments. Because a joint inspection jenna Pravan 4 तारखेन 7 तारखे जुलैच केला. Maka dista report is awaited. I hope the Honorable Minister is giving us good news today with regards to that report that was awaited to be submitted by 31st July. And we all want to know the findings of these observations. Speaker, Prava Jenna constitute Kelly was part 22 May 2023. And meeting poili zali 13 February 2024. Yet जेन्ना कॉन्स्टिट्यूट जाली त्या वेळार सगळ्यांनी सारखे मॅच बीज धाडायली म्हणजे जिखले अशे. 8 म्हयन्यान एक मिटींग जाता. 8 म्हयन्यान एक मिटींग जाता आनी सेकंड मिटींग जाल्ली 8 जुलयाक ह्या वर्साक. This shows that the government was not serious with just 2 meetings held. Whether the department has returned to Prava, whether the department has returned to the Jal Shakti Ministry, the Honorable Minister should let this House or let us know. And that's because, sir, Pravache Zoritor Constitution Soilyar 45 posts asle. This was a committee of 45 posts. Jenna guideline eli 22nd 5 2023 एक chairperson आशिल्लो, 3 member आशिल्ले, 3 part-time member आशिल्ले from all the party states. आणि secretary आसलो आणि director finance. आणि एक support staff जाय आशिल्लो. पूण speaker sir, जेन्ना हे recruitment जालें and several consultants, basically हे 45 posts भरपाक and so when it is starting now, it will take a lot of time. How is the committee going to perform? Have you all written? When is this going to start? I believe that both these engines are just killing time. Ada, when we speak about the impact of water diversion from Madai, what is the impact? Does the government have any data? Ami operation gailo LAQ 148 dated 30th July 2024. Ani ami department tak sangle, have you all carried any study in the case of Madai diversion to Karnataka, with such as its various impact, measures, actions identified, and the future of Goa in relation to the environment and climate change? Maka uttar meta, the reply states no such studies carry out. Number 2, in that same question, I had asked whether the department has identified any area or parts of Goa or Madai tributaries drying up, fragile ecosystem, salt water intrusion, wildlife, ecological balance affected due to Madai diversion. The reply for me is shocking to say. It says no such areas are identified. That means this shows that this government is insensitive towards our lifeline. Mother Madai. Because Magadista expenditure amiche ek prashna gatlalo. What is the expenditure towards this mother water dispute? Ani LAQ number 181. Ejer jenna ami 16 July ek prashna gatlalo. The total expenditure by government only on the visits of all party delegations, chief ministers, cabinet ministers, others to New Delhi pertaining to Madai water dispute. And the expenditure per is about 63 lakhs. This is the expenditure done. I asked on the same, ki expenditure incurred in the government on legal matters quotan pertaining to the water dispute and effects. Kitle kamu fees paid? The answer is a whopping 12 crores 44 lakhs. After spending this crores of rupees, what do we have in hand? Is the big question mark. I think the Honorable Minister needs to reply. Speaker sir, Anik LQ Zoritoram Tsoiler, the WRD department has confirmed that out of 9 rivers, River Sal is the most polluted. Bardes, Tiswadi, Bichole, Salset and Ponda. And water at Goa's first Ramsar site, Nanda Lake Padihana Kurchure, even that is showing signs of pollution. Honorable Minister has been, Sarke Magadista is trying to do it. And it's good that he's showing that these lakes are polluted. Speaker sir, Karamboli Lake Padiha, this has tested positive for pollution. Yeah, Karamboli Lake and Sodach, it is a hot spot for migratory birds, especially from Eastern Europe. But this is also polluted. River Sal is a classic example of pollution. Wholesale fish market and garbage, it's badly polluted by weeds. Amche je Goyan je water bodies here, they are managed in, and they are very unique to Goa with regards to the agricultural fields, with regards to the reservoir for other water, other seasons, with regards to je fishing activities that hai. Yes, sogle amgale je activities hai, itli orsa zali. This has coexisted for centuries. I believe that despite provision of funds of rejuvenation of water bodies, you have to utilize these funds properly. I'll come to that. Because Mukhyamantrin आपल्या budget speechan सांगला की National Water Mission म्हणून he will identify and map water resources and the estimates of the water requirement of the state for 2047. विकसित म्हणून. आणि तुमचो जो preliminary estimate aha, you say that the requirement of the state is about 31.64 TMC. This is what has been given. With the increasing hot and sultry summers, I believe that the state, you need to anticipate and prepare more for adequate sources. Yes, shortage ज़्यादा from March to May. You are very proactive with your press statements about future because you are experienced enough is how I see. But I believe that you need to back this up with proper figures and जे development जावपाचें दिसपाक जाय. आतां तिलारीचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतना, Speaker sir, Maharashtra government has agreed to study the feasibility of this increasing water shortage of Tilari Dam by 5.34 TMC. This is what they have agreed. And going Sarkaracho jo target on the left bank and the right bank of the canals of the Tilari irrigation project, they are estimated at almost 400 crores. This is what the estimate is. One hand, Magadista, the government, you all are making a lot of grand plans for Tilari irrigation, but on the other hand, thousands of liters of raw water is wasted due to faulty works. Now, kidak sangta, Speaker sir, so Walvaha on the Tilari Dam pipeline is faulty. It has created flood-like situations when thousands of liters of raw water is wasted. Ada, similar wastage has happened when in December last year in Shiolim. Couple of years ago, je villages now Shapora and Bicholi and Pendne, inga ye flood zalle, and this water basically after it was released from Tilari Dam. So water harvesting, regional Bab na hinga, but he was talking about, and you have initiated it. I congratulate you for that. In my constituency as well, there are several water harvesting projects that we have put forward, and you have helped us. So I believe this is a good thing for water conservation. You need to do these feasibility studies and consultancy for the preparation of DPR of 6 new dams to store 15 TMC. This is the statement of the Honorable Chief Minister for irrigation, industrial and drinking purpose. Here rain water harvesting padeha, this rainwater harvesting is basically very important at individual level, housing colonies, educational institutions, and establishment. This is something I believe that you are doing it, you need to take it more aggressively. WRD minister has stated that to me a beautification getle of as many as 40 lakes across the state. Ana जे ओल्ड एज इरिगेशन सिस्टम हे रिवाइव करपाक तुम्ही एक प्रयत्न करतले म्हणून सांगलोले. यू स्टार्टेड दिस प्रोजेक्ट बाय लॉन्चिंग दावोंडे लेक. हेज नंतर कितें जालें, आय बिलीव दी ऑनरेबल हाऊ मेनी मोर लेक्स हॅव यू ब्युटिफायड? आय थिंक दी ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर शुड आन्सर. If you look, Speaker Sir, there is a failure on the part of this government to maintain lakes, ponds, springs and other water bodies in the state of Goa. हांव कित्याक सांगता स्पीकर सर, जरी तर रिप्लाय LAQ 64 डेटेड 23 जुलाय मुगेलें हें प्रश्न जे आशिल्लें हितून दाखोवन दिला की ते डिपार्टमेंटान आन्सर दिला की ऑफ 112 water bodies tested for pollution, 66 water bodies are polluted. This comes to 50%, and this is very, very shocking. This shows, I believe, that you need to show more sympathy to preserve our water bodies. What are the steps the government has taken to stop this pollution? Ada utilizationaचे जरी जरा उलयतना तेच प्रश्न LAQ 64 जे 23 जुलाई 2024 आशिल्ले स्पीकर सर. I had asked for the state government funds with regards to rejuvenation of water bodies from 22 till the date, along with the utilization of funds. And that 22-23 allocation alle 75 lakhs, utilized alle 32 lakhs. 23-24 an allocation alle 300 lakhs, utilization alle 118 lakhs. 24-25 allocation alle 300 lakhs. Yeah, or saka. Now till now, I think the answer that you show is you've spent 13.38 lakhs. I believe you should not underutilize these funds. This is the need of the hour. You need to take this more aggressively. And that's because, sir, so a very important subject, especially in my constituency, and this is with regards to the illegal bore wells and groundwater quality testing. So tugelo Regulation Act of 2002 and 2003 of Goa Groundwater Regulation Act. माननीय मंत्री आज म्हाका दिसता एक बिलूय हाडला with regards to this. Now, Speaker Sir, there is an urgent need to control the misuse of groundwater. And answer jori tol chayल्या Speaker Sir, the government basically has no mechanism to check the quality of groundwater which is found contaminated. Zaite jagyar due to seepage of sewage, discharge of hazardous and poisonous waste in bore wells as well as in the open drains. आता 2B जो 30th July 2024 an हांवें एक प्रश्न घातलेलो. तुवें उत्तर दिलां की out of 113 illegal bore wells have been identified. I think of this you have said in industrial estates, out of which 84 bore wells were sealed, only 8 bore wells are regularized, and in some cases reply is awaited from the show cause notice. Speaker sir, ये हांव प्रश्न कित्याक काडा? मुगे इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट एग्जाम्पल इन कुंकोलीम इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट थिंगा एकलो अविराज देसाय म्हणून तेणें तुका लेटर बरयला. तेणें म्हाका दिसता तुगेले WRD ऑफिशियल थिंगा येयले, थिंगा ओपन सारको बाय मारले. Continuously, after following up for 2-3 months, एक पंप तुवें तुगे डिपार्टमेंटान सील केला, ती बाय पुरयल्या. कलेक्टरा लायन तेज भायर ग्लोबल इस्पात म्हणून एक आहा, थिंग आनी एक व्हड बाय मारल्या. हे सगल्यांनी थिंगा स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता इतल्यो बाय मारले. And the reply what you have given me that few wells are found is incorrect. I am telling the Honorable Minister, this is a very serious issue because we are playing with the lives of my जे कुंकोळकार आहे. Today, जे fish industry आहे, I am telling you, 4 लाख लिटर उदो जाय तांकां दिसाक. 100 ते 150 तुका एक युनिटा मेळटले. हे उदो थिंगा जिरोयताय आनी तो मागीर तेगे आमल्या गांवां केपें गांवां जे शेतकार आहे ते मागीर थिंगा बोवाड माताय. हे इतले सारखे illegalities चल्ला. You have initiated, no doubt, but you have to make sure, and please give me a word, that you will send your officers. All the borewells are illegal. They udo potting jata. This is the main cause. They have absolutely no license. Sarke itle te nustya udo eta, bain to ita, neighboring. This is only one Kunkolim because I know it's my constituency. But I believe that everywhere, across several industrial estates, ye borewells aate. This is something with your seniority. You should put this in place. You will get the blessings of the people of Goa, especially from my constituency. And I request you, please take this very, very seriously. Because tumi je maka uttar dila with regards to this illegal borewells, periodic monitoring, repeated inspections of sealed borewells are done too, so that these illegalities are not continued. Maka dista je LAQ 2B, I tuka uttar ek question gatlele ki what is the method criteria adopted by WRD to allow borewells in the state and to monitor the same. Speaker sir, maga uttar mele ki as per Groundwater Act 2002, water meter is fixed to monitor groundwater usage for commercial purpose. In another reply, LAQ 62 dated 16th July 2024, the number of borewells that you have said are permitted by your department to operate in the state is 962. This is the apart. I am telling you there are hundreds only in one industrial estate. I want to know from the Honorable Minister, what is the method or the procedure that you have adopted your department with the number of borewells in the state? Have you done any study? Anik ye je groundwater extract kota hai, because this is done illegally. Ye extract kota ite, this is for domestic use. Itle anta tanker ete. Te tankerachi haंव येता कित्याक आज इतले उदो सप्लाय जाता पण तुगेलो रिप्लाय जरी तर वॉटर टँकर्साचे चयल्यार 6C 30th July yesterday's reply ये reply जरी तर चयल्यार you are stating that there are only 75 private tankers registered with WRD from 2020 till date. Can 75 tankerani speaker sir पणजेच्या गांवांत उदो सारकना इतले उदो सप्लाय जाता and 75 only are registered with you. All these water tankers are illegal. You need to take strict action against them. Some water tankers Suraj Gan tinga supply kota te chitu udo gate. We have caught amche jenna verna inga amche partyche bab Amit yene ye stop kelle ani दाखोवन दिले Suraj gate ती chitu udo geno ite. Ye kit solna because maga dista with your seniority please put this in place. I have expectations from you because Magadista and who monitors this source point padaha. What is the source point? Where is going gatinga pipe gate tengele? What is the do you have any pre-declared source points from where this water is extracted? To me, water meter gatla mon sangla. I believe no one has fixed any rate for the supply of this groundwater by private water tanker operator पडे हे water tanker mafia जाले 75 पणजेच्या गावांत एजमाय सिंग 75 आसतले दोनापावलो उदो सारकना मिरामार उदो सारकना इतले टँकरान उदो वयता. Your reply says that there is only 75. म्हाका दिसता you set up a mechanism, put this in place, you will also get revenue. This is something I demand from the Honorable Minister ki color coding on the tankers, tie up with FDA to check the quality control and the point of extraction. This is just, they are doing it whatever they want. Speaker sir, speaking on scientific desilting of nallas, I thank you because a lot of desilting has happened in my constituency in Kunkolim. आज गोंयभर जे गांव बुडटा म्हणून सांगता आमचे जे 12 बांद आहाय डिसिल्ट करपाकूय तुवें आमकां टेंडर दिलेलो आहा पूण 22 करोड 70 लाख म्हळे म्हाका दिसता हेच पयशे आतां हांव खबर आहा पणजेच्या गांवांत सांतिनेज नल्ला आनी हुंय फ्लडींग जाता थिंगा म्हाका दिसता सिस्टमॅटिकली जोरी तर तुवें तें सारकी तरी तर हे टेंडर जाले एंड places where it is really needed, then I believe that you can make sure that the flooding that is happening in villages and cities will not happen. And I think you should look at this very, very seriously. It's because जे budgetan एक provision केला for the year 24-25 of 85 crores for the purpose of flood control in order to minimize the adverse impact of flood. पाड्डे गांवांत मंत्री आहा आमचे बाब सुभाष फळदेसाय वर्सा वरोस बुडटा. आमी सांगलोलें की we had requested you to do an NIO study on this. Why is this phenomenon happening? And last time you had said you would look into it. जे logs पड येताय थिंगा, ते logs in थिंगा logs जाता, but that is the river Kushavati, the source. Because जेन्ना थिंगा केपेच्यान मडगांव असो जायना, and that entire area जेन्ना गेलते वर्साक 2 मोन्नां जालीं. मोन्नां वचपा पासून थिंगा बोट घेवन वचो पडलें. This time also the situation was bad. If you can please look into this particular thing that is happening in Paroda, I would be grateful. Because आनी एक जो बारीकसो म्हाका दिसता AE जे पड तुगे आहाय in the WRD department, they are asking for second extension. आनी हुंय ना हुंय हे injustice जातलें on the JEs and TAs. So if you could look into that. Because Providereaचे उलयतना the major issue, I believe, is whether you are utilizing the funds fully. If you could tell us, because these homes are run by the Director of Public Assistance. I believe then whether they are fully functional, or it gets very difficult even for us as MLAs with the procedure that they have. The safety is good, but it's because of Magadista, whether this capacity of these homes are fully functional, are they left? Because आज ज्या पद्धतीन आज a lot of our elders, it is shocking to see the way they are taken, the way they are treated by their children. It is not not very nice with person with disabilities. So whether all the facilities are there. कुंकोळची आमची जी एक प्रोविदेरिया जी आहा तिंगा म्हाका दिसता बारीकशें पेंटिंग आनी भितर कितें काम आहा. So I will write to you if you could take that on priorities. Because the maintenance, म्हाका दिसता, for all these old age homes, they need to be taken very, very seriously. These institutions, I believe, should get more attention. Refurbishment in the last financial, Modgaonch gawan je old age home, this has reached full saturation, completely full. Yeah, so you can tell us about that. Because je म्हाका दिसता, as I said, the horrific reality आमची सोसायटीची, आमचे जे जाणटे आहाय तांकां जायते जाण आमी they take them to these old age homes. So we need जे modern families. म्हाका दिसता we have to also, you need to work and see in your department that why our elderlies are taken, just as a survey to understand why are they taken. It's because जेन्ना कॉर्पोरेशनाचे उलयतना it is stated in the budget that you intend employment in fields, dairy, fisheries, and to help the Ministry of Corporation of the government under the scheme of strengthening of primary agricultural cooperative society, PACS. आता इंतू कितले तूं post create करपाक सोदता, in what category, if the Honorable Minister could tell us. One important situation, if we look within your department, an example EDC, जावं IDC, जावं housing, जावं Goa handicraft, engele retiring age has 60 years. But most of your employees of the cooperative organization like Goa Sakar Bandar, Milk Dairy, Goa Housing Federation, ये Mapsa Bazaar, ये Cooperative Credit Society, age has 58 retirement. I believe if you can, I appeal to you that this retirement age from 58 should be made to 60, because all the government servants retire at 60. It's because our last Janna Ulaitna with regards to the, I believe that cooperative sector, all-time low of every time this government is in the direction of basically it looks like weakening the cooperative sector. Sugarcane, Sanjeevani sugarcane factory, आणि प्रत्येक assembly नाव काढता. कालच्या दिसाक ते तिंगाचे जे worker आशिल्ले, they gave me a memorandum. I believe you all are giving them VRS. The agriculture minister has moved a note. This because is, and I believe a step towards, this was a step towards, it was a visionary project by Goa, आमचे पहिले मुखेलमंत्री भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर, सुदीनबाब निदला. त्या टायमाक स्पीकर हे एंटी कॉपरेटिव्ह मुवमेंट पड आसलो. दिस इज नाव टर्निंग टू बी एंटी कॉपरेटिव्ह. हे म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय तुवें हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय, तांकां खूंय ना खूंय अब्जॉर्ब करूंक जाय. They are, otherwise the whole idea, there are institutes coming there, whether this is a land deal, ethanol plant, थिंगा PPP याचे 3 पुसा टेंडर जालो, थिंगा RAQ लागून कोण येणे, हे प्रयत्न म्हाका दिसता खूंय ना खूंय ओरिजिनल जे शेतकार आहाय तेजेर तुमी खूंय ना खूंय जो अन्याय जाता, it is I believe the anti-visionary project of Bhausaib Bandodkar. There are several, म्हाका दिसता पोयच्या दिसाक Kankumbi Real Estate Limited ही एक delegation, and there are about 4,500 investors in these financial companies. They had a farmhouse, 300 गोवन आमगेले ते जे were agents, and एकलो प्रदीप फट्टे मो electricity department आहे, तेणे हे सगळे षडयंत्र केले, ते कोण UP-चींग येले. And this type, I think under the cooperative society, they were registered, and they've, a lot of these things happen. So you should come. You also are a pioneer in the cooperative field. So you should come with methods, with your experience, and try to X out the system. What is the wrong thing? What is the wrong move? I understand that people should have precautions while investing. But हुई ना हुई ही fraud पड जाता है, because sir हे वाडत आसा. म्हाका मंत्रील्यान जायत अपेक्षा आहा. आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन तुमी जायती कामां केले, no doubt about it. But with your experience, I feel you can perform much better. Thank you, Speaker.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.